Good evening, everyone. The Cass County Jail is facing the worst capacity issues they've seen in more than 20 years. Too many inmates for the space often has staff scrambling.
WDAY News reporter Sam Getzinger joins us live tonight. He spoke with Sheriff Jesse Jahner to learn the short and long-term answers to finally fix the problem. Sam.
Yeah, Dana Kirsten, the jail right now can hold 348 people, but over the last couple of weeks, they've been sitting around 400 inmates. And the long-term answer, it's going to take some more time to build.
Got us into a position where every day we're struggling to find room, to find space.
Sheriff Jahner says the overcrowding at the jail really boils down to three common trends. The community is growing quickly. 40% of inmates don't have a permanent address. But the biggest trend impacting capacity, the length of stays are getting longer.
So a year ago, we booked in approximately 9,800 people. The average length of stay for someone coming into the facility was 12 days. And now that's jumped up to 72 days.
This year, the jail has had about 4,000 fewer bookings than last year. But what is causing that 60-day jump in average length of stay? The severity of the crimes, they've been getting worse. And court services are still feeling the impact of the pandemic, slowing down pre-sentence investigations and mental health hearings.
Back up in the court process. And then, again, with the growth in our community, you're going to have problems that come with that naturally. So
the answer is not as easy as sending inmates to a different county. 16 are already at other facilities. 18 are on community supervision, who are monitored constantly, and 4 are at the state hospital. And like the Cass County Jail, other jails are seeing the same problem, and it can get pretty spendy moving people around, including transporting them back and forth for court.
And when we house people at different facilities, we're paying approximately $75 to $85 a day per inmate, depending on what that jail is charging at the time to house them there.
Luckily, a solution is being built, a nearly $32 million pod expansion to the jail that will bring in an additional 192 beds. But it won't be finished until the spring of 2025.
We're hoping that buys us a number of years. But with the way that our community is growing and some of the issues that we're currently seeing, I'm not sure how much time that's going to give us, but it'll definitely buy us some breathing room.
And Sheriff Jahner says the best short-term solution right now is to focus on crime prevention and cut down on the common trends that they're seeing. And he also wants to reassure everyone in the community that they are working extensively with their other agency partners to make sure that the community is safe while they're dealing with these capacity issues. Reporting live, Sam Getzinger, WDAY News.